This is a fishing rod. And this is a pond. Now I'm gonna be catching fish. Just letting you know what I'm catching is like a wild fish, a wild fish, bash. Does it work? Oh. Let's try that again. There's some right there. What's he doing? I don't. Oh. Hitting it. How is it? Let's try that one more time. This is taking quite a while. Oh, I showed like a bubble. Oh no. Ooh, almost there. Ooh. So bad at this thing. I got a wow fish. Okay, I didn't get to see that well. Hold up. How do I get to my inventory? M? Yeah. One of several river fishes that can be used for a variety of purposes. Oh, okay. Green katana. Oh, this is the green katana. This one. Okay. Alright. Let's see how much you could sell it for. I think I'll find a blue spider lily. Yeah. Look. This is what you need to become a demon. If you don't know about that yet, you should definitely watch the last episode. Yeah. Let's go. I was going the wrong way. Oh, we're going the right way. So, let's go. We're back at our fishing spot. We could have got a fish, but that guy messed us up. If you don't know what I'm talking about, we were doing a Sabito fight. It might still be in the recordings, but I couldn't find it. But it was pretty cool. We almost defeated him, but we didn't. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ooh. Boom. Boom. I lost count. Oh, I got one! Oh, I got another wow fish. I think that's like the common one. I think that's the common one you get. Because, like, I got it 2 times. I think the $300 one is like a rare one. I was getting pretty dark. Oh, and turn on my lanterns after this. Honestly, I think I'm getting better at this. First time was definitely the best. Blast. Definitely didn't screw it up. Alright, you're getting another fish. Yeah, okay. Let me turn on my lantern. This video is basically all about fish. We're fishing today, guys. This is my fishing channel. Did I not turn on the lantern? Hold on. There it goes. It's more brighter so you guys could see. Yeah, it's cool. Fishies, come get whatever that thing is. Worms, I guess. Wow, fishies are taking really long to get. It's right here. I saw the bubbles. That's what I think. There. What? Oh, right there. Oh, I messed up. What does this guy want? I think he's just watching me fish. Definitely a pro at this. 3 times? Same spot? Okay, damn. Oh, I messed up. Another fish. This is a good method to get fish. It's like $90 for like a wow fish. Oh, the guy caught the boulder, I think. No, he didn't. I don't know how to say that fish. But they give you $90. So if you get 3 fish, it's like close to like, oh. I think I'm gonna lose this fish. Probably am. Never give up. Oh. Probably should for this fish. This fish is a strong one. Wait, if it's a strong one, then it might be a good fish. Ooh, yes, I'm not taking a chance. What's up? Oh, I hope it's at least like $100 fish or 100 yen fish. I'm not even sure. Damn. You get the same fish. What does that look like? That's Dory. Dory, what are you doing on my fishing line? Wait, that looks different. My inventory. Oh! Oh! Oh, that's Fash. Fash. This is fish. Oh, this is like $100. And we caught 2. That's pretty good progress. That is. Oh, whoa, whoa. That Sabito fight is easy with 2 people. Like we were about to destroy him in a couple seconds. We were about to get the mask, but he died. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, oh, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Oh, wait. That's a... What do I keep thinking is down there? Is this the $300 one? Oh, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Weapons. I have 3 weapons? Oh, I do. Yeah. Hats. Necklace. Was. Oh, I fished. I fished. Okay, how do I close this? I took my fishing rod. What is... Oh, you know what we should do? We should go check if... What is his name? Oh. Muzan is there. Oh. Muzan Kibusuchi. Oh. 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 I'm about to get in this one. Yeah. Oh no, you got it. Yes. Alright. This is gonna be the last one. We're gonna see Muzan. Kibasoche. Then we're gonna sell our fish and see how much we make. We're gonna do a before and after results. If I could even do that. I'm not sure. Oh, it's gonna come here soon. Oh, no. Why? Might as well just... Oh, I like how you could jump. Cool. Oh, that is sick. Okay. We're gonna go sell the fish. Oh, why did I do that? That's really dumb. We're gonna go see if whatever his name is, Muzanki Busuchi is there. So, yeah. I said, Muzanki Busuchi, are you there? I forgot we could sell the fish here. So, we're gonna sell the fish. First. Alright. Hey, wanna tell me some fish? Can I? Is that max fish I want? 930 yen. Oh my! I almost made 1,000 off of that. It's not that boring. That's good. When you start off your game, you should buy a fishing rod. You need to first get like a sword and something. Just get like the $600, $500 or yen sword. Get that first, so when you fight demons, you don't fight with your fist. But make your way up to 2,100, 500 yen, and buy a fishing rod. They like you just saw there. It's not really that hard on computer. Oh, let's go check on Muzanki Busuchi. Why was I walking? Oh my god, I'm so dumb. Okay, I saw Muzan over here. He's not there. Does he like go around the map? Cause in my last video he was right here. I'm guessing he goes around the map at night, so it's gonna be harder. I don't wanna. Make sure you like and subscribe, and goodbye. Or else.